The Destination Thailand Visa, or DTV, is a new option for remote workers, freelancers, and creatives who want to stay in Thailand for longer periods of time. If you're a digital nomad looking for an easy way to make Thailand a second home, or at least a regular stop on your global journey, this visa could be the perfect fit. I'm Augustin from Siam Legal, and in this video, we're focusing on what makes it such an attractive option and what your day-to-day life looks like once you've secured your DTV. We won't be covering how to apply or qualify for the visa. Check out our other videos on the DTV for that information, or visit our website, linked in the description below. Instead, we'll go over what it's like to actually live in Thailand with this visa, including how it affects your work, taxes, housing, banking, and immigration responsibilities. If you're planning to stay in Thailand on a DTV, this is what to expect once you arrive. Once your DTV is approved, you can travel to Thailand immediately. There is no timeline or entry or minimum stay length. Your visa becomes valid right away, and you can use it freely until it expires. One of the main benefits of the DTV is that it's a multi-entry visa. This means you can leave and re-enter Thailand as many times as you want while the visa is valid, without needing to apply for a re-entry permit. Every time you enter Thailand on a DTV, you can stay for up to 180 days. If you'd like to stay longer, you can apply for a 180-day extension, which is available once per entry. The extension is subject to approval by Thai immigration, however, so plan accordingly. If you're someone who travels often for work or likes to visit home now and again, you likely won't have to worry about stay limits, as your 180-day limit is reset as soon as you re-enter the country. If you're working online for a company based outside Thailand or running your own business with overseas clients, you don't need a Thai work permit while you're on a DTV. However, keep in mind you can't use a DTV to work for a Thai company or take on Thai clients. That would require a different visa and a work permit. If you're working online while living in Thailand, you also need to understand local tax rules. Once you spend more than 180 days in the country within a calendar year, you're considered a Thai tax resident. As a tax resident, you're required to pay income tax on any foreign income that you bring into Thailand. This applies even if the income was earned in the previous tax year. If you transfer income into a Thai bank account while you're a tax resident, it becomes taxable. For this reason, tax planning is essential. Depending on your situation, it may be helpful to speak with one of Siam Legal's Thai tax advisors or legal professionals to make sure that you're fully compliant. With the DTV, you can settle into life in Thailand, much like anyone else on a long stay visa, but there are still things you'll need to keep up with. One of those is a 90-day report, which you'll need to file with immigration to confirm your address. As the name suggests, you must do this every 90 days unless you leave the country before the 90-day mark. Once you re-enter Thailand, the 90-day countdown begins again. When it comes to finding a place to live, you can rent an apartment or house anywhere in Thailand. If you're thinking about buying, condos are usually the easiest option, since you can legally own one in your name. Buying a house is trickier. You can own the building, but not the land, which makes the process much more complicated. That's why most foreigners who want a house choose to lease the property instead. These restrictions apply to all foreigners regardless of visa type. It's also important to note that as a tourist visa, the DTV isn't a pathway to permanent residency in Thailand. If your long-term goal is permanent residency, you'll need to consider other options in the future. The Destination Thailand Visa lets you live and work remotely in Thailand for longer stretches, with the freedom to come and go as needed, making it the perfect fit for globetrotters. But it also comes with rules you need to follow, like knowing where you can work, how taxes apply, and what steps to take to stay compliant. Furthermore, while the DTV is easier to qualify than other long-term visas, the application process for Thai visas can sometimes be difficult and bogged down in red tape. At Siam Legal, we help digital nomads and remote professionals like yourself secure their immigration solutions of choice and build a life here in Thailand. Whether you need help managing your taxes or understanding the long-term implications of your stay, our team is here to support you. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact us today. We're ready to help you make the most of your time here in Thailand. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.